it's Sierra with WTI. And about a year ago, I was moving a glass mirror and I got a nasty scar on my arm, but I was recommended Mederma's Advanced Scar Gel. I have noticed a difference in using this. You apply it once a day. For new scars, it takes about 8 to 6 weeks, and for existing ones, 3 to 6 months. It goes on super thick. It dries and creates like a layer of gel on your skin. But I have really fallen in love with this ever since I started using it because it really helps to hide the appearance of the scar. And the more you use it, the better my scar looks. I also like to put it on any kind of scabs or pimple scabs that I have. And I notice that it clears up so quick. Sometimes I'll put it on before I go to bed onto like a little pimple scab on my face. By the time I wake up, you can already see it kind of healing over. This has given me so much confidence in my skin, whether that's on my face or my arms or any kind of scars I have on my body. It doesn't have any overwhelming smells to it. In fact, it doesn't really smell like anything at all. I absolutely love this scar gel. Mederma has really become my favorite. And that is just my point of view.